Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you the new features to connect modern web parts in SharePoint Online sites. This new feature is available for some of the out-of-the-box web parts in modern sites in SharePoint Online. So here I am in a modern page that I'm going to edit just to show you how to connect modern web parts. So let's click on edit. And first thing I'm going to do is just to add a list web part. So I'm going to choose from the web part gallery, the list web part. Here we go. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just to choose one of the lists I have in my site. So I'm going to choose corporate contents. The next thing I'm going to do is just to choose another web part from the web part gallery that is suitable to connect to the list web part. In this case, the new web part we have for this is the list properties. So I can select this web part, and as you can see, it's already in my page. And I should press the connect button to be able to connect to any of the web parts that are available on the page. But as you can see, it's not working very well. But the good thing is that we have a tip. As you can see here, we have the three dots. We can click the three dots, and then we have the connect to source. And we have here the magic we need to connect this web part with the list web part in the page, on the same page. So I'm going to choose the corporate contacts web part, and then I'm going to display the selected item. That's fine. I have some other options such as data type, and then I can choose what fields of the list item I want to show in the list properties web part. So for instance, let's say last name, first name is fine, email address, company I don't need, a business phone is fine, and then we are going to remove the rest of the fields in the list item. When we are done, what we can do is just click on the cross, so we can close the display. We can close the web part settings panel, and we can start testing this new feature. So I'm going to select this first item, and as you can see here, I'm seeing the properties I just configured in the web part panels property. So in the web parts properties panel. And the good thing here is that I'm able to edit these properties directly on the web part, what is actually very cool. So next web part I want to show you that can be connected is the document library web part that can be connected to a file viewer web part. So again, I'm going to add a web part on my page. In this case, I'm going to choose document library. Here we go. And the next thing I'm going to do is just to add a file viewer web part in my page, sorry. So I can select the file viewer, and I'm going to cancel because I don't want to select any file on my site or upload another file. And coming back to the document library web part, I'm going to select the library I want to show in this web part. So I'm going to select documents. That's fine. And the next thing I need to do is just to connect the file viewer web part with the document library web part. So I'm going to click on the edit pencil in the web part, and then I have the settings panel for this web part, and again I have the three magic dots. So I can click on the three dots and then click to connect to data source. Again we have the same magic. I can choose the list web part I previously add to the page, or better, I can choose the documents web part. So I'm going to choose the documents web part, and I'm going to click the close to close the configuration panel for the web part, and the only thing I need to do is just to test how this works. So I'm going to select the Word document here, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. The Word document is going to be shown in the file viewer web part. It's the Word document that I selected in the documents web part. And that's all. Very, very useful features we have in modern SharePoint Online site. So we are again having new features that are providing more parity between modern sites in SharePoint Online and what we have in classic SharePoint Online sites. So this is a step forward, the ability to connect out-of-the-box web parts. We can also do this for our custom web parts that we have built using SharePoint framework. but so far we didn't have the possibility to connect out-of-the-box web parts in the way I have shown you in this video. So that's all. I hope you have found this video interesting, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye bye.